How to open real account on MetaTrader 5. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of opening a real account on MetaTrader 5. First things first, make sure you have MetaTrader 5 installed on your device. You can download it from the App Store, Google Play Store, or directly from the MetaTrader website for desktop versions. Once the app is installed, open MetaTrader 5. On the login screen, tap or click on Manage Accounts or create an account depending on your platform. Now choose the option that says Open a Real Account. This will allow you to open a live trading account as opposed to a demo account. Next, you need to select a broker. MetaTrader 5 supports a wide range of brokers, so pick one that best suits your trading needs. If you don't have a preferred broker, you can search for a list of brokers that support MetaTrader 5 or choose a popular one. After selecting your broker, you'll be asked to fill in your personal information such as the name, email, phone number, and country. Make sure all your details are accurate. Some brokers require additional identification verification. If asked, you need to upload documents such as government issued ID, proof of address, or other necessary paperwork. Once your account is verified, the next step is to fund your account. Depending on your broker, you can deposit money using methods like credit or debit cards, bank transfers, PayPal, or cryptocurrency. Once you filled everything out, confirm your details and you'll receive your account number and password. Now you can log in into your real trading account in MetaTrader 5 and start trading.